Check this out. If you're looking for an ultimate travel translator, then look no further. Right here I have the Fluentalk T1 and also the brand new mini version of it. That is even more compact and also way cheaper. These are of course powered by Time Kettle, so both of them offer exquisite, excellent translation tech. Yeah, and now let's see which one is right for you. Got the new drip from Time Kettle's new sub-brand called Fluentalk. So right here I got the Fluentalk T1 and the Fluentalk T1 Mini right here. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the boxes. This is a brand new release, so this of course is just a temporary box. This is subject to change, but in here we have the Fluentalk T1 Mini. Right here we also have the cable, and right here we also have this strap. But yeah, this is of course not the final box. You of course can expect something like this for the final box design as well. So let's get rid of this wrap. So the front, the side, other side right here, bottom with the brand, same on the top, and the back right here. And check this out, really cool box, really nice greeting, this with the paperwork, and here we have the regular T1, and right here the accessories. Love this box. So yeah, let's get right to that. So starting with the accessories for the Mini, we'll get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, then also this retractable key holder thingy. Well, of course not for keys, but for the Mini. That is so cool. And this branded strap, also with a quick release. So definitely handy to have. And the accessories for the T1 are of course somewhat similar. We will also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It's a bit longer. And then we will also get this strap right here. And of course the paperwork. So we will get this with a SIM tray removal tool. Hello, hello. And of course a multi-language manual, front and back. 1, 2, and 3. All right, good stuff. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we go. Let's remove these protective films. Beautiful. Look at that. So here we have the back of the devices. On the back we of course have the cameras. Here we have the front. So the Mini is quite a lot smaller and also way lighter. Then we have the sides. Other sides, very similar, but just slimmed down and way more compact for the Mini. And here we have the top. So we have the on-off button on the top. And right here we have the bottom USB-C port and all of that. Okay, let's take a close look. So yeah, well, we already saw all of that basically. On this side we have 3 buttons versus 1 button. Volume rocker on this side with the SIM tray right here. Top and bottom again. So we can add the strap here and here, carrying strap. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's go. Just for fun, let's take a look inside here. Oh, it's actually empty. So I was expecting a SIM card in here, but it's actually empty. So this would be the place to insert the SIM card. Not bad, right? So let's turn them on and let's test them. So let's turn on the Mini. On top, press and hold. A really nice display. And this one. Yes, this button on the right side. This is how the circular polarizer will react to the T1. The Mini screen is actually resistant to the polarizer, while the T1 not. Okay, so let me change that. It's better. English. English. Next. Agree. Wi-Fi, okay, why not? As you can see, both are based on Android. I know these keyboards by heart. Great touch screen, by the way. Both are very responsive and easy to write on. Pretty dope. Okay, let's start the experience with the Mini first. Okay, so we have 2 years free data on the T1. 1 year free traffic on the Mini. This one has a little tutorial. Sweet. So we have English to German. Let's go. And we have, all right. That's so dope. So all the way on the left, we can activate the camera function. Nice camera in there. Then we have the translation on the second tab. Then on the third one, we have offline translation. We can download packs. And then we have the settings. Nice. And right here, we can activate and deactivate Wi-Fi, airplane mode, and also access the settings. Good stuff, my dudes.
Gutes Zeug, meine Jungs.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Oh ja, ich liebe es.
Wow, it's really accurate and fast, and also look at this awesome animation down here.
Wurf, es ist wirklich genau und schnell. Und schauen Sie sich auch diese tolle Animation hier unten an.
Whoa, that is amazing. That is amazing. Check this out. So literally downright 100% accurate straight out of the box. Okay, let's turn it off. Power off. What an amazing device. And now let's check out the bigger brother. So same, it's a bit different. The Mini has a simplified Android, it seems. For this one we also have Bluetooth, flashlight, airplane mode and mobile data with the SIM card, of course. This is awesome. And on the first tab we have the world clock, currency calculator, and here we have a quick select with all the tools. So you can ask for directions, chat translation, listen mode, voice memo, user guide, common expressions, SOS and settings. Awesome. Oh, this one even has a dual microphone. That is awesome. Ask for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? We can use this translator to communicate.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, tun wir's.
Ja, okay, ich bin bereit.
Yes, okay, I am ready.
Yo, that's awesome. No, I'm sorry.
Nein, es tut mir leid.
I was talking into the wrong side. Die Richtungserkennung funktioniert tatsächlich extrem gut.
The direction detection actually works extremely well.
Yes, indeed. Good stuff. So let's get to a real test.
Ja, tatsächlich. Gutes Zeug. Kommen wir also zu einem echten Test.
So as you saw, both of them work extremely well, straight out of the box. And so far I had like literally 100% of accurate detection and translation. Amazing. So let's start the test. Let's try this one first. Are you ready for the translation test?
Sind Sie bereit für den Übersetzungstest?
Ja, ich bin bereit.
Yes, I am ready.
On the T1 we have two buttons. In our case, one for German and one for English. Super convenient. On this one we only have one button on the side, but it actually works the same way. So we press and hold and then just talk.
Aber es funktioniert eigentlich genauso. Also drücken und halten wir und reden dann einfach.
Oh, okay, sehr interessant.
Okay, very interesting.
So as you can see with the T1 Mini, it will recognize it automatically and then it will do the translation.
Wie Sie beim T1 Mini sehen können, erkennt er ihn automatisch und führt dann die Übersetzung durch.
Aha, das ist sehr praktisch.
Aha, that's very convenient.
Yes, indeed. The T1 also has a chat mode where you can hold it like this. Then I'm speaking English and she's speaking German. So we have bidirectional microphones. Can you please buy me some fruits from the grocery store?
Könnten Sie mir bitte ein paar Früchte im Supermarkt kaufen?
Ja, gerne. Was soll ich dir mitnehmen? Was möchtest du?
Yes, what should I take with me? What do you want?
Please get me some apples and a banana.
Bitte besorge mir ein paar Äpfel und eine Banane.
Ja, gerne. Ich kaufe dir gerne Äpfel und Bananen.
Yes, I'd be happy to buy you apples and bananas.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Vielen Dank.
So this chat mode is super convenient, but you can also do it with the Mini. Can you please bring me some fruits from the grocery store?
Kannst du mir bitte ein paar Früchte aus dem Supermarkt bringen?
Ja, gerne. Was möchtest du gerne?
Yes, of course. What would you like?
Please bring me 2 bananas and 2 apples.
Bitte bringen Sie mir 2 Bananen und 2 Äpfel.
Ja, gerne. Ich kaufe für dich 2 Äpfel und 2 Bananen.
Yes, of course. I will buy 2 apples and 2 bananas for you.
So as you can see, both work very well. The automatic detection is spot on. Just one button will do the trick. So what do you think about this awesome new technology?
Was halten Sie von dieser großartigen neuen Technologie?
Sehr praktisch, sehr nützlich und wunderbar einfach.
Very practical, very useful and wonderfully simple.
Yeah, I think so too. It's pretty awesome. Thanks for helping me.
Ja, das denke ich auch. Es ist ziemlich großartig. Danke für die Hilfe.
Bitte gerne, ich habe gerne mitgemacht.
Please, I was happy to take part.
As you can see, I have prepared a terrible joke generated by AI in 4 different languages: English, German, traditional and simplified Chinese. So let's swipe to the camera mode and there we go. We have the line guides and we need to align the text with these guides. So first of all, let's try the English text. So with the mini and with the big one. Boom. And as you can see, both of them got it right really fast, and we can switch between the original picture and the translation in real time. Amazing. Next, let's try the German text. So just press on the cycle button, German to English. And the big one. Both are super fast, and again we have real-time translation in between the picture and the text. Pretty nice. So, simplified Chinese to English. There we go. And lastly, traditional Chinese. From the picture to the translated text in a matter of seconds. And as you saw, both devices and both cameras are doing a great job with picking up these texts. So as you saw, the T1, the big brother, can do just a little bit more than the mini version, but the battery, for example, has the same capacity. The mini is of course way smaller and way lighter, and it will, in most cases, it will do just fine. So if you want to travel light and only need the basic features, then definitely get yourself the T1 Mini. It will save you weight, space and cost. But both devices are of course amazing. They look great, they offer top-notch features, and all in all, great build quality. If you want a few more features, then this is also definitely worth the money. But yeah, as you saw, both of them are at the same level when it gets to the actual translation. Ultra fast speeds and up to 95% accuracy in both cases. Well, for the first test, it even was 100% on point. But yeah, I hope this little comparison made the decision easier for you. But as I said, both of them are extremely recommended and also definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.